This review is of 80 Acres Farms. Clean ingredients, pesticide-free greens, no artificial anything. Zing and Zen salad kit. Mother raw, organic plant powered, olive oil based dressing, cashews, gingery carrots, sesame sticks, and pickled cabbage. 50% less plastic, resealable package. Pesticide-free greens. Responsibly sourced, clean ingredients, no artificial anything. And so for the container, you get 32 grams of fat, of which 5 are saturated, no trans fats, no cholesterol, 590 milligrams of sodium, 27 grams of carbs, of which 4 are dietary fiber, 7 are sugars, of which 4 are added, and 8 grams of protein. And it has all those vitamins and minerals, plus more, obviously. And here are all of the ingredients. It does have coconut sugar, which is fine. Coconut sugar doesn't contain a bunch of bad saturated fats. Boy, looks pretty good. Let's give it a try. Salad dressing's hiding underneath everything else. Mother raw, sesame ginger, Japanese style, plant-based. Yeah. Hooray. Ugh. Now my hands are wet, so it's kind of hard to open it. There we go. Problem solved. So I'm just gonna take a bit of this swirled up in my lavash bread. Oops, my cashew escaped. Yeah, it definitely tastes like Japanese ginger sesame sauce. I'm not a fan of the sesame sticks, but otherwise, it's not bad. I'll give it an 8. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.